Well, hey everybody, Dave here. Today we're going to try our hand at a 2-ingredient biscuit. Heavy whipping cream, and I believe it's white lily self-rising flour. We made about maybe 7 or 8 biscuits, and we're going to use the old number 12. We need to achieve 450 degrees, so by doing the conversion chart that Lodge puts out, that will be a total of 33 briquettes, 22 on the top and 11 on the bottom. And we'll get that fire going here in a minute. And there's your biscuits. Really nice day here. Upper 70s, windy, but not too bad. Bring you back a bit. All right, that's 33 briquettes that we just lit up. I put them on top of the cinder block base, but we had ourselves about a 3/4 inch rain here a few hours back. So didn't want the wetness of the ground, moisture of the ground, to suck the energy out of the briquette. We're going to let these coals get lit up, and then we'll get that 11 on the bottom, 22 on the top, and we're going to cook it for 12 minutes, 450 degrees. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. Well, it's a beautiful day out here, it really is. This will be one of the last of the more comfortable days. It's kind of breezy out here, but we should be all right. And I think this is like the 4th of July weekend. Big weekend here coming up in the USA. I think it's birthday number, 246? Something like that. I don't remember. It's supposed to get like in mid-90s, very, very summerish like, especially, for this area. We shall see, man. And like I said, this is a 2-ingredient biscuit. Heavy whipping cream, about 1.5 cups. White lily self-rising flour, about 2 cups. And should make, I think maybe like 7 biscuits, full size, maybe 1 small one. Don't forget, hopefully everybody has a wonderful weekend coming up. And remember our lives every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Coals aren't too far away from being done. We're starting to ashing over pretty good. We'll get our base layer down. I'll show you what it looks like up in there. Well, a lot of birds out. Pretty quiet day. Well, a nice quiet day. Wind. Alright, our 12-minute timer is running. Hopefully everything turns out. We Got our lid lifter ready. Couple of minutes in, we'll do that little turn. We'll turn the bottom one way and lid the other. Little kind of half turn, quarter turn. Make sure we don't get no hot spots. This is a 33 briquette configuration designed to achieve 450 degrees. If you had to maintain this temperature for a while, you'd always have some more unlit charcoal ready. And just lay them right on the side. The ones that are lit, they'll just light, remain in close contact with the other briquettes. But with just a 12-minute cook, one course of briquettes is more than enough. Mailman brought me a sticker today. Woman Outdoors, Erie, Pennsylvania. Appreciate that so much. I'll show that sticker on one of our Wednesday lives. She let me on the note that she appreciated so much the support, and I couldn't say that better right back at her and all the rest of you. Thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it, man. Having fun and whatnot. Met a lot of great people along the journey. Appreciate it so much. So, there's your lid lifter to put the briquettes back. There it should be. Check the bottom, make sure nothing rode out. Looking good. I smell it. I think birds do too. Got about 6 minutes and 26 seconds. And then we'll use the old lid lifter to pick it up, the lid up, see what it looks like in there. Oh yeah, I definitely smell something now. Oh yeah. I think we got about 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. divot. So we'll get those hot spots. Get one briquette up on top here. Sound like the Air Force is alive and well out there today. That's all the noise you're hearing in the background, other than birds maybe. They're flying those F-35s out of Langley Air Force Base, Hampton, Virginia. Right, that timer should be going up any second now. Take a look in there, see how much it needs to do some more time. Alright, let's take a peek inside. Let's pick the old camera up here so y'all can share the first peek with me. I think they need just a little bit more time. Yeah, I say they turned out pretty good, man. 2-ingredient biscuits. I've had a couple already, if you can't tell. Yeah, it turned out pretty good, man. Definitely. 2-ingredient biscuit.